Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to find the distance between 2 points. And we have 2 ways to do this. We can do this through the way. So if I go to Amsterdam Central, he will show me, if I tap on directions, the way that I can ride to Amsterdam Central. But if you want to know the distance when we go immediately from A to B, we can do another way to know the distance, and that is go back, hold your finger on the pin, the red pin right there, then do measure distance, and then go to the point where I live. And that is just right here. So now, if you can see, it's 15 kilometers, and this is exactly how you can know the distance between 2 points in 2 ways. Alright, if this was helpful, please consider subscribing, give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.